Welcome student to our English class standard 7th. Today we will begin with our chapter 2.2 The Souvenir Part 2 written by Lakshman Londe. So let's proceed to our summary of Part 1. Summary of our chapter The Souvenir Part 1. The Souvenir is about a girl's 3-day trip to the moon. The writer has imagined that in the future the journey between Earth and the moon will become easier and be the longest possible travel. The story follows a girl named Siley who had been sent on the trip by her mother. On the moon, there they saw dome-shaped human settlement. The experience of Neha's grandmother and the shuttle revolution around the moon, and also about the first astronaut who was from USA landed on the moon. His name was Neil Armstrong. The receptionist at the center to the base gave some instruction at the very outset. I welcome you all to the Neil Armstrong base. To make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable, I would like you to take certain precautions. Listen carefully to my instruction and please follow them during your stay. You know that the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of the earth. In the human settlements on the moon, a gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth has been artificially maintained. But outside those settlements, the gravitational force of the moon is at work. You will have to be extremely careful when you roam around there. New words: receptionist, a person who greets and deals with clients and visitors to a surgery, office, etc. Pleasant, giving a sense of happy, satisfaction, or enjoyment. Comfortable, providing physical ease and relaxation. Instructions: a direction or order, artificially, by means of human intervention rather than naturally. Gravitation: movements or a tendency to move towards a center of gravity, as in the following of bodies to the earth. Precaution: measures taken in advance to prevent something from happening. Explanation of this paragraph: the receptionist at the entrance gave some instruction and also welcomed all the girls to the Neil Armstrong base. She again and again saying them to listen carefully and follow the instruction. The gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of earth. You have to be careful when you roam around there. The second point to remember is related to shopping on the moon. You all must be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Please buy the articles only from the shop which are inside the dome shaped settlements. There you will be assured of genuine articles. Do not buy anything from the unauthorized shops outside the settlement. I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. New words, souvenirs, something that we keep to remind us of a journey or an event. Unauthorized, without official permission, not allowed legally. Genuine, real, or original. Explanation of this paragraph. The second point means second instruction given by the receptionist was to remember related to shopping on the moon. You all must be interested in carrying souvenir. So, when you all were buying something, you are supposed to buy from the shop which are inside the dome. Don't buy the articles from the shop which are outside the settlement. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. According to the Earth calculation, on the moon there were 15 days of light and 15 days of night time. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the night time on the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was Sky Watch. On the earth, it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. New words, jam packed, here having a tight schedule, foggy, unclear, faintly, in a faint manner, indistinctly, dazzling, extremely bright, specially so as to blind the eyes temporarily. Explanation. On the moon there were 15 days of light and 15 days of night time. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of night time. On the first day program was Sky Watch. It was foggy and because of that stars were not visible properly. On moon there was atmosphere, only the dark background of moon, sky and the stars. The two were dazzling brightly. The most attractive view was that of the dish of the earth. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. It was also 70 times brighter. The earth light fell on the moon. This beautiful, enchanting view made Sally and her friend ecstatic. They fell asleep feeling happy, excited and comfortable at the same time. New words, enchanting, delightful, charming or attractive, ecstatic, joyful, delighted, excited, very enthusiastic, and eager. Explanation. The most in the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon on earth. It was 70 times brighter. The earth light falls on moon. This beautiful drew made Sally and her friends ecstatic. Now they all were feeling sleepy and happy too. Evaluation 2. Fill in the blanks. The gravitational force of the moon is dash that of the earth. Answer is 1 by 6. Second, the dash at the entrance to the base gave some instruction at the very outset. Answer is receptionist. Third, a dash 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. Answer is jam-packed. Fourth, in the moon sky, the earth looked dash time bigger than the moon in the earth sky. Answer is 13. Say whether the following statements are right or wrong. First, there were no human settlements on the moon. Answer is wrong. Second, a jam-packed 4 days programs awaited the children on the moon. Answer is wrong. Third, there was no atmosphere on the moon. Answer is right. Answer in one sentence. What was the name of the base? Answer is the name of the base was Neil Armstrong. Second, who welcomed at entrance gate? Answer is receptionist welcome all the students at the entrance gate. Third, what was the calculation to the earth on the moon? Answer is the calculation on the earth on the moon were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. Fourth, what was the most attractive view from the moon? Answer is the most attractive view was the dish of the earth. Continuation of evaluation. Answer the following. First, what were the two important instructions? Answer is the two important instructions were first, in the human settlement on the moon, a gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth had been artificially maintained, but outside those settlements, the gravitational force of the moon was at work. Hence, one had to be extremely careful while roaming outside. Second, one should only buy articles from the shops inside the dome-shaped human settlements and not from the unauthorized shops on the outside. Second, what was special about sky watch on the moon? Answer is, on the earth it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only faintly. But on the moon there was no atmosphere. The stars could be seen clearly and they appear very bright. Apart from that, the earth looked 13 times bigger in the moon sky than the moon did in the earth sky. Hence, sky watch on the moon was special. Third, what does It tells you about the condition on the earth at that time. Answer is, the writer says, it is usually foggy on earth and the stars can be rarely seen in the sky. This tells us that the level of greenhouse gases and pollution has possibly increased and hence hidden the stars at that time on earth. Question number 4. What would be the overall effect of having no atmosphere? Answer is, the atmosphere protects the earth from solar radiation and meteors or huge rocky objects in the space that collide with the earth and also traps heat on land. The overall effect of having no atmosphere would mean dry land, no water or oxygen, high temperature, and no life on the planet. It would also make the sky really clear and dark. Guess the meaning of the following words. Write the smaller word and related words that you see within these words. Question is precaution. Answer is, measure taken in advance to avoid possible danger. The smaller and related word within precaution is caution. Cautious. Second, unauthorized, meaning without official permission, something that is not allowed legally. The smaller and related word within unauthorized is authorized. Grammar. Give the adjective used to describe the emotions of Sally and her friends before sleeping. Answer is, happy, excited, comfortable. Second, give the noun form of the word appeared. Answer is, appearance. Thank you.